Affiliate marketing is a lucrative business model that allows individuals to earn income by promoting products or services. Set clear goals with a roadmap. Aim for $500 per year, $41,667 monthly, and $1,388 daily in commissions. Choose high-paying affiliate programs with larger commissions, such as SaaS tools or online courses that pay up to $1,000 per sale. Focus on a profitable niche like finance, health, online education, or tech to enhance your earning potential. Build a strong online presence, create a website, leverage social media, and start email marketing to engage your audience. Drive targeted traffic using SEO-optimized content and paid advertising to generate consistent visitors to your site. Maximize conversions with effective sales funnels through lead magnets, dedicated landing pages, and follow-up emails. Scale and diversify by expanding affiliate programs, outsourcing work, and automating tasks to increase efficiency. With persistence and continual improvement, you can transform affiliate marketing into a six-figure business in 2 years.